What's going on, everybody? I was just recording a time lapse. Weather's taking longer than I thought it was going to take to get here, so we're just hanging out in the good old Corolla. I got this package today from my grandparents up in Minnesota. Supposed to be some food in here, possibly some fudge, so I think we're going to go ahead and open that up. I got my trusty little letter opener here. I'll just go ahead and slice this open. Oh yeah. So the storm that we're looking at today is some packing tape right there. The storm that we're looking at today originated in northern Texas, southern Oklahoma, slash far southwest Arkansas. Just some convection we got right here in the latter end of January, and it's just been a long. Started out as just a few multi-cell storms, ended up being forming quite a long but really skinny squall line that had a few embedded supercells. So far out of this, all we've got is a few severe thunderstorm warnings and a lot of flash flood watches and warnings. So let's open this up. Damn. Alright, so we got some coveted Bregenzer fudge. Oh yeah, that's the shit right there. Yep. So unfortunately today I forgot my DSLR before I came out here to track these storms. I'm going to throw a radar image up on the screen right now. You can see kind of what I'm working with at this time. Right around 3 o'clock, 1500 Central Standard Time. They're not projecting much. There's only a marginal risk for severe storms, and the forecasting just has a 2% chance of any tornadoes. So we'll see what comes of that. I'm assuming it's not going to be anything. The wind keeps changing directions. It's coming from the south, from the west, everywhere in between. So we'll see what comes of it. Time is now 3:10 p.m. The storm that we've been watching just got severe thunderstorm warned, so we're going to be keeping an eye on it. As far as I know, this isn't packing anything super serious. There's a possibility for hail. Beyond that, there's really not much going on with this storm. Kind of unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. So we're going to continue watching it and seeing how it develops. Right now it's just a regular cell, but we'll see if anything changes with that. Alright, little updates for you guys. It's about 3:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorm warning continue for the next little bit. As of now, I'm within the warning area, so hopefully I'll be in a good spot to see something. So far, we've had the lightest bit of precipitation, nothing even close to worth mentioning, just a few drops in my windshield. So one quick strike of lightning off to the south side of my vehicle. I don't think it was anything CG, just some cloud to cloud, quick flash. Like I said, I'm not expecting anything big for this storm. I'm going to read what they're saying about it in that warning, and I'll get back to y'all and see what's going on, and hopefully we can get some good footage. It's about 3:25 p.m. right now. I checked in on that severe thunderstorm warning. It's saying hail up to about 1/4 inch in diameter, and that's the biggest threat it's given right now. I'm actually going to reorient my vehicle because it is coming from a little bit more south than it originally was, and I want to make sure I get some good footage for you guys. If we get hail, then that'll be great. It's been a long time since I've seen hail. If not, then so be it, but I can see, and I'll turn my camera around here in a second so y'all can see what I'm looking at. What almost appears to be the gust front for the storm, or at least one of the leading wall clouds. As y'all can see, possible, oh, all right, we got some more lightning, good sign. So possible gust front down towards the left center of your screen. That is the second strike of lightning I've seen. The storm should be here any minute, because it's tracking at like 50-60 miles an hour, so hopefully we'll get some action here soon. There's that thunder. It took a minute. I'd say the storm's, God bless. Wow, that was booming. That lasted a while too. For those wondering, I'm filming at Shelby Farms Park here in Memphis, Tennessee. It's kind of on the eastern side of Memphis, like going out towards Germantown. But there's a lot less interference with buildings and all that stuff. So I like to come out here in case any storms are in the forecast. There we go. Now we can see the storm base, which doesn't look super organized, but we'll see. Alright everyone, this storm is approaching fast, this base. Looks to be a pretty strong storm base. I can see some pretty high precipitation out just on the other side of the storm in the direction we're facing. I was looking at the radar, which I'll show for you now, at about 3:30 p.m. It looks like, fortunately, the hail core of this storm is going to miss me to the south, in which case I will not have to worry about damage to my vehicle, which is always a plus. But I'll shut up now and we can watch this storm roll in. We're gonna see if we can get ourselves a better view of this. Find a spot that has a little less trees blocking the west. There's a lot of rain with this storm. Looks like a lot of precipitation. You can see the gust front in the middle of the screen right now. We're gonna orient ourselves, get you a good view of this storm. Y'all hear that thunder, I hope. Right in the direction you're pointing now. Another big positive flash. Wow, alright, I'm pointed everywhere except where the lightning is. I was right over this direction. There must be a lot of cloud flashes with this lightning too that I'm just not seeing. So I'm hearing thunder but not seeing anything. It's hard to see on camera, but that area right where the camera's pointed, starting to get a little bit of a hue to it, like it might have some hail. Orient this direction a little bit. Y'all can see some more of the storm base right there. Almost what looks to be the edge of the storm. There's some more lightning. Alright, rain's really starting to pick up. So is the lightning activity. So it looks like the cell with the hail is, there's some lightning, it's going to be missing us to the south. There's a cell right in behind it that is also severe thunderstorm warned. And I don't know what that has in it. I don't know if that's going to have that quarter size hail as well, but we'll see. Either way, hopefully I don't get impacted too hard. Now I'll give you all a good look at what I'm looking at. The rain's starting to get heavier and heavier to the point where I shouldn't mess with my window down. Oh, that was right on top of me. Big lightning. Yep, there it is. Right over me. See those trees starting to get more. Whoa, right in front of me. There it is. Still a few miles out. Those trees in the bottom center of your screen starting to get more and more enveloped by rain. Precip's getting heavier by the second. Lightning is getting a lot more frequent, a lot closer. And this little field I'm in is starting to flood, so hopefully I can get my car out of here once we're wrapped up. Alright, so what I'm putting on the screen now right here is what's coming in right behind this cell that was that just passed. It almost looks like it might have a little velocity couplet in it according to the base velocity. I throw the correlation coefficient up there as well just for some extra reference, but the storm itself showing up as rotating, at least on Radar Pro and one other app that I've been using. So we'll see what comes of that. It's projected to have some bigger hail, so let me see if I can keep an eye on it, see if some hail core grows. If so, I'm going to try to get out of the way of it. So we'll see what comes of it. It's starting to really pick up. Radar's showing a strong velocity couplet. I'll throw on screen right now. This rain's coming in nearly horizontal. Holy shit. Yes, sir. Time to hunker down. Very, very high precipitation, supercell. I mean, I can't even discern what's what right now. This is incredible. Nearly flooded in. Lightning's coming a lot more active. No hail to speak of yet. This thing's right on top of me in case you couldn't tell. There's a very noticeable velocity couplet on the radar. No tornado warning from this, so I don't know if that's just happenstance or what, but I'm gonna try to maneuver around where I am right now if I can get my car moving. It's super muddy. Holy cow, this rain is mind-boggling. Yep. I'll check this out. Nearly complete whiteout right now. I see car headlights. That's about it. There's supposed to be trees right there. Like literally right there. Zoom it at all. Yeah, you can see them. Just barely. This storm's right on top of me. There's almost no hesitation between the thunder. Yep, there it is. You see what I'm talking about. Yep. It's super windy. Holy cow. Rain is starting to let up a little bit. You can see the trees relatively clearly again. Right now, that base velocity index that's showing that nice little couplet is right below me. Right to the south of me, I should say. But I think this just about wraps it up for today. This will be the last cell that's coming through Memphis, at least to the best of my knowledge. It's only very limited convection in the atmosphere, so I didn't anticipate us getting anything big. But hey, I'll take what we got. I'm not going to be the one to complain. Now I'm going to see if I can get my car out of this big old puddle of mud. And hopefully this storm will subside and I can get back home. Alright, well, that was a nice little storm for today. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see any hail, but I was looking at some storm reports and it looked like there was a lot of hail within the area. I guess, like I said, it just had missed me to the south, which I mean, that's cool. It's less damage to my vehicle, but I was kind of hoping to see some. It looked like good quarter-size hail, so nice little storm. A bit of a struggle to get out of the spot I was in. Very muddy, so I think it's an appropriate time to go spray off my car. You see a lot of mud on the window. So we're gonna go take care of that. Alright everyone, so I was checking up on some weather reports following today's storm, and turns out that little bit of rotation I was talking about with that velocity couplet on the base velocity ended up being a confirmed tornado just south of Memphis. So we were damn close, but if there was anything, it was completely rain wrapped. So even if it was right above me, I wouldn't have seen it, unfortunately, but it was still cool to be there. I just thought I'd give that update. There's a bunch of pictures going around on Fox 13 Memphis, a local Fox affiliate here in town. Some hail reports, quarter-size hail like I mentioned earlier. But I figured I'd give you all that update. I was watching a Reed Timmer video. He was talking about reports. I went and checked it out and saw that there was a confirmed tornado. So hope everyone's safe. As I'm recording this right now, it's about 9 o'clock, about 2100 Central Standard Time. There are still active tornado warnings down in Mississippi, so hope everyone's keeping an eye on the weather. Hope everyone's staying safe.